अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं बहुत ही इजी नो टोमेटो चिकन पुलाव। बहुत आसान है, झटपट बन जाता है। इट्स अ वन डिश वेरी सूटेबल फॉर लंच बॉक्सेस एंड लंच आइडिया। इट्स अ लंच आइडिया एज वेल, सो डू ट्राई इट आउट। चलो शुरू करते हैं। Take a wide mouthed kadai. We'll be making the rice in this. To add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. When the oil becomes hot, add 2 cardamoms, 3 cloves, 1-inch piece of cinnamon, 1 badhiyaa ka phool and 1 tejpata. Saute for a few seconds and then add a handful of sliced onions. This is around 2 medium-sized onions and saute till light brown. Also add 4 dry red chillies and continue sauteing. Also add a few mint and coriander leaves finely chopped. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. We will add more salt later and continue sauteing till golden brown. The onions are done. Now let's add the ginger garlic paste. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger paste and 1.5 tablespoons of garlic paste and saute till the raw smell goes. If you find the masala sticking to the bottom of the pan, you can add a few tablespoons of water while sauteing. The raw smell has gone. Now let's add the dry masalas. Add 1 teaspoon zeera powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/2 teaspoon chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon pepper powder. We are adding very less masalas, so it is not going to be very spicy, suitable for children as well. Continue sauteing and add 2 teaspoons of curd. Mix well and now let's add the chicken. I have taken 500 grams of chicken with bones. You can use another 250 grams of chicken more if you like. Add the chicken, mix well. Also add a 1/4 cup of fresh peas. Saute well on medium to high flame for around 2 minutes and then add 1 cup of water. Mix, cover and cook on medium flame till the chicken is completely done. That will be around 15 to 20 minutes. 20 minutes ho gaye. Let's check. The chicken is nicely done. The peas are done. The masala is properly cooked. Now let's add the rice. I have used zeera rice. You can use basmati rice as well. To measure the rice, I use the Mithai Mate 400 gram tin. I've taken around 1.5 tins of rice. That's around 400 grams. Wash and soak the rice for at least half an hour before use. Now add the rice and saute on medium to high flame for at least 2 minutes. The rice is nicely sauteed along with the masalas. Add 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Mix well and then let's add water is 1.5 times the quantity of rice. So for 1.5 tins of rice, I will be adding 2.25 cups of hot water. This is a measurement when you use zeera rice or basmati rice. But if you are using Sona Masuri rice, add double the quantity of water. Add the juice of half a lemon as well. Cover and cook till the rice is completely done. Oh, I forgot we have added only 1 teaspoon of salt so far. So let's add another teaspoon of salt. This is for the masala and for the rice as well. So a total of 2 teaspoons. Cover and let it cook on medium to high flame for till completely done. No tomato chicken pulao is now ready. Do try it out. You can have it with a side dish of raita, pudine ki chutney. Goes very well for tiffins. Not spicy at all. So definitely try it out. Ingredients as always mentioned in the description box. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.